Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a cloud and stars inspired look. I am going to use Polygel today and I'm going to put that on full cover gel nail tips that I got from Couture. And I'm going to be using acrylic to put on my tips. I find when I use the builder gel and I have to hold the tip under the lamp, I always end up applying one of them crooked. So I'm also using a base coat gel. I've been changing up my nails so often that I wanted to try using this so I don't have to soak off an acetone or use my nail drill to get my nails off. This video is going to be a little bit longer today. I just really wanted to go a little more into detail of how I kind of do everything and how I'm applying everything. And sometimes when you have to speed up through a bunch of different things, you can feel like you don't actually explain anything. Because I'm using Polygel, you need a slip solution for Polygel. This is 91% alcohol, and I'm using two different kinds of Polygel. One's a Madame Glam, the other one's from a Gershion kit that I got. And I'm using the Gershion base coat to top coat all of my nails, and then I'm going to put that in the light for 60 seconds before we apply the Polygel. Polygel is sticky, which is why you need a slip solution. You dip it into the alcohol and you kind of just pat it and push it around. When you feel that it's getting a little bit sticky to work with, then just stick it back into the slip solution and kind of move it and pat it around some more. And you really just keep doing this until you get it to where you want. And after each color, I did put it into the light for 60 seconds to cure it. So when I put the other color on top of it, it wouldn't move it around at all. I really didn't know what I wanted to do with this nail, which is why I hesitated a few times. I just kind of like went with the flow here. I'm using these little stars that I found on Etsy, and once I put those on, I'm going to cure it in the light for 60 seconds. This is a color changing polygel, so when I took it out of the light, it's this really light pale blue color, which is what kind of actually gave me the idea for the clouds. I thought it looked like a sky, so I just went with that. And then on this nail, I'm going to do like an ombre, patting that into place and then wiping off any excess product, and then I'm going to put that in the light for 60 seconds before I add on the color changing blue color.
I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong, so go ahead. Tell me all the ways you miss it. How you want me back in your bed. But I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know time, chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you help yourself to somebody else. It's too late, don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much, honestly.
I'm going for like a marble look on this finger, so the best way to kind of marble polygel is to put all the colors that you're going to use on the nail and then use your brush to swirl and twirl them around and then pat them into place. You could probably do this like on a plate or any type of hard surface and kind of swirl them around that way, but I found when I did that it kind of made a stickier mess than polygel already is. So I thought this was the easiest way for me to do it, and now I'm just patting that into place and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds. I'm doing the same thing on my thumb as I did on my ring finger. I am doing an ombre. So I put the pink on first and then I cure that in the light for 60 seconds, adding my stars, and then I put on the color changing polygel, and then on my pinky I'm going to do the same thing I did on my middle finger for my pinky, and then again I will cure that for 60 seconds before I go and I encapsulate.
What to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds.
I'm using my IBD Builder Gel to give me that protective layer over top of the Polygel. Builder Gel is self-leveling, and sometimes when you apply Polygel, you can't really get that smooth surface. So that's why I like to use Builder Gel to kind of encapsulate the Polygel. It'll self-level over any of the holes and crevices or dips that you have in the Polygel. And then also when you file, you won't file any of the color off. And Builder Gel is thin too, so if you encapsulate with a clear Polygel, it can make that nail look pretty thick. And the Builder Gel is like a thin layer over top of the Polygel. When you're applying the Builder Gel, you just want to kind of float it over the nail. Use your brush as a guide to kind of like push it or glide it along the nail. You don't really want to apply it like a nail polish because you want it to self-level. You just kind of want to guide it to the direction that you kind of want it to go so it can get into all of those dips. I really hope that makes sense. After that, I go through and I file, shape, and buff them off camera because we would literally be here for an eternity if I did all of that on camera too, and it would look like a shaky mess if I did it on camera. So maybe one of these days I will end up throwing that up there, but I love the way nails look after they've been filed, shaped, buffed. They look so good before the magic happens. So now I'm just going in and I'm using a lint-free wipe and using some alcohol to wipe off any of that dust. And now I'm going through and I'm using my Gelish nail polish. I don't actually have gel for like nail art designs, so I'm just using nail polish. But anyway, I'm using this brush that I got from Young Nails, and then I found it easy when I was making the clouds to make 3 little dots like in a triangle like shape and then kind of connecting them that way. And then each time I finished a nail, I would put that in the light for 60 seconds so I wouldn't mess it up before I went on to the next one. If you're enjoying this video and you're still here, if you could give me a comment or hit that like button, I would just love that. I want to engage with everybody. I want to talk to people. I want to hear your thoughts and what you think of this set. And if you're getting any value out of it too, please consider subscribing. I just love doing this kind of stuff, making videos, and you know, I'm new to YouTube, so it's kind of a hard platform to get started. If you could help me get to like 100 subscribers, it would totally make my day, you guys. Like, you have no idea. With that Gershion No White Top Coat that I got in that Polygel kit, and applying that to all my nails. Then I'm going to be putting on some cuticle oil to finish off that look, and I'm also going to be applying some, or putting some rings on so you can see what it looks like all blinged out. And I love this set. I thought it turned out so cute. It's probably one of my favorite sets that I've ever done. I think I said that already, but oh my gosh, I just love it. Let me know what your thoughts are on this color changing polygel, and yes, please like, comment, subscribe. You guys, it would just mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.